Hello everyone! Today's topic is related to culture. But what is culture? Okay, the culture is the characteristics and knowledge of a particular group of people, encompassing language, religion, cuisine, social habits, music, and arts. As you can see in this picture, I highlighted the word cuisine, and that is because today I will share a very special recipe with you all. Now, as a warm-up activity, I want you to look at the next picture, listen to the music, and tell me everything that comes to your mind. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay, perfect. Now I want you to share your ideas. Tell me. Okay, Caribbean coast. Perfect. The province of Lemon. Great. What else? Beaches. Pati. One more idea? Okay, rice and beans. Great, that's perfect. You're right. Today, I will show you how to prepare a delicious rice and beans. You will learn not only the recipe, but also you will practice a lot of vocabulary. Before moving to the next slide, let me tell you a little bit about our cuisine roots. The Afro-descendant people arrived in Limón at two different times in the history of Costa Rica. During the colony as slave laborers brought by Spaniards, and from 1871 with the arrival of Antillean immigrants from Jamaica and other Caribbean islands for the construction of the railway to the Atlantic. For this reason, the Atlantic coast of Costa Rica has a strong Afro-Caribbean cultural tradition with multiple manifestations that range from language to culinary customs. Afro-Limonenses dishes stand out mainly for the use of two basic ingredients, coconut milk and Scotch bonnet, or chile panameño in Spanish. Well, let's start with the kitchen utensils we're going to use to prepare the rice and beans. Here we are going to learn new vocabulary, and at the same time we are going to practice phonetics. We are going to use a pot, spoon, grater, chopping board, strainer. Okay, what are the ingredients? We are going to use rice, red beans, salt, sugar. Coconut milk, thyme, oil, Scotch bonnet, bell pepper, onion, garlic, and finally cilantro. Great! Now that you already know the kitchen utensils and the ingredients, let's see the process. First, you have to grate the coconut and then mix it with the water and squeeze in order to get the coconut milk. Second step, dice the onion, bell pepper, garlic, and cilantro. After that, put the red beans into the pot, add some oil, 3 Scotch bonnets, and the coconut milk. When the beans are boiling, add the rice, thyme, onion, bell pepper, garlic and cilantro and cover the pot. In 20 minutes after, voila! You can enjoy your delicious rice and beans. I hope you really enjoyed the recipe. See you next time. Bye!